Today we'll do sums based on parametric functions. So different derivatives based on derivatives of parametric function के ऊपर we'll do sums. बहुत सारे problems different types of sums we'll do. Okay, so let's start. So we have a question dy by dx हमें find out करना है if the value of x is equal to e to the power 3t मतलब x is a function of t and y is also a function of t, y is equal to e to the power 4t plus 5. So first of all we'll find out the value of dy by dt. Okay, so we'll differentiate y with respect to t. But before that what we'll do, we'll apply log both the sides. So log of y will be equal to log of e to the power 4t plus 5. Okay, so this will be equal to 4 by using the basic law of logarithm, it will be 4t plus 5 log 4t plus 5 log e. So as we all know that log of e by using the basic law of logarithm, log of e is equal to 1. Okay, so this will be equal to 4t plus 5. Okay, so by applying differentiation by find out the derivative of this one with respect to t, matlab we have to do differentiation both the sides with respect to t. So by applying this we'll get 1 upon y multiplied by dy by dx will be equal to this one. क्या करेंगे यहाँ differentiate करेंगे, we'll get 4 with respect to t. So dy by dt will be equal to 4. Okay, so we'll get 4 and इसके लिए this is a constant, so when we'll differentiate with respect to t we'll get 0, so it will be 4. So dy by dt will be equal to y यहाँ पे रखेंगे ना, y will multiply with y, so 4 into e to the power 4t plus 5. This will be the value of dy by dt. Okay, now we have to find out the value of x. Okay, so x का value is e to the power 3t. So by applying log both the sides, it will be log of x is equal to log of e to the power 3t. Now by using the basic law of logarithm, it will be 3t log e, and as we know that log e is equal to 1, so it will be 3t. Now log x will be equal to 3t, so log x will be equal to 3t. Now differentiating both the sides, we'll get 1 upon x multiplied by dx upon dt, because we are differentiating with respect to t. So this side will get 3. So now x ka value will multiply here, so dx upon dt will be equal to 3 into x ka value, so 3 into e to the power 3t. Okay, now we have to find out the value of dy upon dx. So dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. So dy upon dt का value is 4 into e to the power 4t plus 5 divided by dx upon dt का value is 3 into e to the power 3t, e to the power 3t. ठीक है, so we can also do this like this, 4 upon 3 हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं e to the power 4t plus 5, and this is minus 3t. Okay, so it will be 4 upon 3 multiplied by e to the power 4t minus 3t will be t plus 5. Okay, so this value will get, okay, this will be the value of dy by dx. ठीक है, so we have a question, we have to find out dy by dx if x का value is u के term में, x is a function of u, y is a function of u, and we have to find out the value of dy by dx. Okay, so first of all we'll find out dy. Okay, dy के लिए first of all we'll write y, यहाँ पे हम x के लिए लिखते हैं, x is equal to u plus 1 upon u to the power 2, and y is equal to 2 to the power u plus 1 upon u. ठीक है, so by applying log both the side, we'll get log y will be equal to log of 2 to the power u plus 1 upon u. So this will be equal to log of y will be equal to u plus 1 upon u multiplied by log of 2. Okay, so now differentiating both sides, we'll get 1 upon y multiplied by dy upon du, because here that parameter is u and we have to differentiate this value with respect to u. So dy by du के term में हमें मिलेगा. Now we have to differentiate this in term of u. So du it will be 1 and plus this one u का value is -1. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, -1 into u का power -2. So directly we can write 1 upon u square, okay, into log 2, because log 2 is not a function of u, so this will be a constant. This is a constant, so we'll multiply this ऐसे. Okay, now we'll write the value of dy by du. मतलब y will be y here will multiply. Okay, so y का value is 2 to the power u plus 1 upon u and multiplied by नीचे 2 to this number. Okay, this is a bigger one, यहाँ पे लिख लो. Now 1 minus 1 upon u square log of 2. So this is the value of dy by du. Okay, dx upon du के लिए what we have to do, 2 will be written here and then 2 into u plus 1 upon u. Okay, and multiplied by, now we'll have to differentiate this one, so it will be 1 and it will be minus u square. Okay, so this is the value. Okay, this is the value of this one, and now we have to write the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx का मतलब है dy by du, dy by du divided by dx by du. So dy by du is 2 to the power u plus 1 upon u multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon u square and log of 2 divided by this one, 2 into 2 into u plus 1 upon u multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon u square. So 1 minus 1 upon u square cancel, and now this one will be equal to 2 to the power u plus 1 upon u and multiplied by log of 2 divided by 2 multiplied by u plus 1 upon u. Okay, so 2 को हम ऊपर लेकर जा सकते हैं, बट ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं. So in that case 2 will be -1 हो जाएगा. So 2 will be u plus 1 upon u minus 1 and log of 2 divided by u plus 1 upon u. Okay, so this will be the value of dy by dx. ठीक है, so ये होगा dx dy by dx का वैल्यू x के टर्म में है. So we'll take y and t, y and u. Okay, y and u we have to take, we have taken. So dy by du we have to find out. Okay, हमें ये find out करना है, and y and u is given. So y is equal to 5x and u is equal to log x. ठीक है, so we have to apply log y will be equal to x log 5. ठीक है, so it will be 1 upon y multiplied by dy by du dy by dx equal to x log 5. So there is only this one is constant, only this one is variable, so we'll find out. So it will be log 5. Now dy by dx will be equal to y is 5x, 5 to the power x log of 5. Okay, so this will be the value. Now this is the value of dy by dx. Now we have to find out du upon dx. So it will be 1 upon x. ठीक है, so 1 upon x आया. Now we have to find out the value of dy by du, because we have taken y and u. So it will be dy by dx, that is 5x log of 5, and divided by du by dx, that is 1 upon x. So it will be 5x log of 5 multiplied by x. Okay, so we can write like this: x into 5 to the power x into log of 5. This will be the value. So we have a question: if x का value is a into 1 minus 1 upon t and y का value is a into 1 plus 1 upon t, x and y are the functions, differentiable functions of t. So then show that dy by dx is equal to -1. So first of all we'll find out the value of y को हम लेकर चलते हैं. So y का वैल्यू डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं, तो dy with respect to t, तो dy by dt will be equal to, this is a plus a upon t. Okay, so a वाला this will be 0 plus a upon t will be a to the power t का पावर -1 है ना, so a into t का पावर is -1, so it will be -1 divided by, okay, so this will be the value of dy by dt, and dx upon dt will be equal to, now a this will be 0 and this is minus and this one. Okay, इसका तो basically इसका value होगा dy by dt will be equal to 0 है ना, ये minus है तो minus a upon t square, but in this case minus है and t का पावर ऊपर लेकर जाएंगे, it is in denominator, so ऊपर numerator में लिखेंगे तो it will be t to the power -1. So when we will differentiating t with respect to t to the power -1 with respect to t, it will be -1 front में आ जाएगा and t का power will be -2. So -2 will be 1 upon t square. Okay, so it will be plus. So dx upon dt will be 1 upon t square. Not 1, this will be a. So a into, so a upon t square. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of dy upon dx. Okay, so dy upon dt multiplied by dt upon dx होगा. So this will be equal to dy by dt का वैल्यू क्या है, minus a upon t square multiplied by dt upon dx. So dx upon dt is a upon t square. So dt upon dx will be t square upon a. So a cancel, t square cancel, it will be -1. So dy upon dx will be equal to -1, hence proved. Okay. So we have a question: if x is a function of t and y is a function of t, x is equal to 4t upon 1 plus t square, y is equal to 3 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay, so you have to show that dy by dx is equal to -9x upon 4y. Okay, so we have to show that dy upon dx is equal to -9x upon 4y. So first of all we'll find out the value of dy. Okay, first of all we'll take y is equal to 3 into 1 upon 1 minus t square. Okay, this is we are taking in multiplication na? So 1 plus, we can write like this. Okay, so it will be, by applying log both the sides, it will be log y and this will be log of, so log 3 plus log a log of ab, log of mn is equal to log m plus log n, and log of m upon n will be equal to log of m minus log of n. So this ये दोनों multiplication में है, so when we'll apply log in whole, so it will be equal to, okay, see, if we are applying log like this, 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square, so it will be, we can write like this, log of 3 plus log of 1 minus t square. By using the basic law of logarithm, we can write like this one 1 minus t square, and this is in division, denominator, so we'll write minus log of 1 plus t square. Okay, this one is okay, 1 minus t square, 1 minus now. So now applying differentiating this both sides with respect to t, will get 1 upon y multiplied by dy by dt, and this side when we'll differentiating with respect to t, this will be 0. Why? Because this is a constant value, this is not a function of differentiable function of t, this is not a function of t, so we cannot differentiate this one. Matlab whenever we will differentiate this with respect to t, we'll get 0. So we'll write 0 here. Now log of this one will be 1 upon 1 minus t square multiplied by, this is minus t to the power 2 na, so minus 2t. Okay, now minus log of 1 upon 1 plus t square का value होगा this one multiplied by 0 plus 2t. Okay, now dy by dt will be equal to y का value will write here, so 3 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square multiplied by, this is 0 and ये क्या होगा minus 2t divided by 1 minus t square, and this is also minus, so minus 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, so now what we'll get यहाँ पे we can write, simplify कर सकते हैं, minus 2t हम common ले सकते हैं ना. Okay, so we'll write here 2 minus 2t multiplied by, ये 3 is already here, so minus 6t हो जाएगा, minus 6t, and this one will write here 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Now this one, इन दोनों को लेंगे 1 divided by this one. Okay, so it will be plus में है दोनों, so it will be 1 plus t square plus 1 minus t square divided by 1 minus t square into 1 plus t square, so it will be 1 square plus minus t square का square, तो t will t to the power 4, so ये cancel, and what result we are getting, so now we'll get dy by dx dt का value will get minus 6t multiplied by 1 minus t square. Okay, 1 minus, अच्छा इसको हम रहने देते हैं 1 minus t square and 1 plus t square के टर्म में ही. Okay, okay, so 1 minus t square multiplied by, this is 1 plus 1 2 and divided by 1 plus t square and 1 minus t square, so 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square cancel, so what value we are getting, minus 12t divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, ये वैल्यू हमें मिला. So dy by dx का sorry dy by dt का वैल्यू we got this one minus 12t divided by 1 plus t square. ठीक है, so इसको we'll save this, and now we'll start doing this one. x का value is given 4t divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, so applying log both the side, it will be log of x and log of 4t divided by 1 plus t square. So log of x will be written as log of m upon n is equal to log of m minus log of n. Okay, by using the basic law of logarithm, it will be log of 4t minus log of 1 plus t square. Okay, so applying now differentiating both the sides with respect to t, will get 1 upon x multiplied by dx upon dt will be equal to Now 1 upon log differentiating this one will get 1 upon 4t multiplied by 4. Okay, because differentiating 4t will get 4 minus log of t 1 plus t square, it will be 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus t square multiplied by this will be 0 and plus when we will differentiate this one we'll get 0 plus 2t. ठीक है, so dx upon dt will be equal to x को हम इधर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड x का वैल्यू इज 4t डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस t स्क्वायर. ओके, एंड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस वन, ये क्या है 4 अपॉन 4t, तो 4 4 कैंसिल, इट विल बी 1 अपॉन t माइनस and 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, so what we'll do, हम इसको directly when we'll do ना, okay, this is 4t divided by 1 plus t square and now we multiplied by this one, we'll write here 1 plus t square minus 2t square divided by t into 1 plus t square. Okay, so t cancel, so we'll get the value dx upon dt. क्या मिलेगा हमें 4 into this 1 minus t square minus 2t square will get minus t square, so 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square into 1 plus t square, so 1 plus t square का whole square we are getting. Okay, so this value we are getting for this one. Okay, so what will be the value of so we'll write here so dy upon dt and dx upon dt, what we are getting 4 into 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square का whole square, to dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon dt multiplied by dt upon dx. This will be the value, dy upon dt will be minus 12t divided by 1 plus t square का whole square and into dt by dx, मतलब inverse of this one. Okay, reverse करना है, so it will be 1 plus t square का square divided by 4 into 1 minus t square. Okay, so this cancel and 4 and 3, okay, 4 and this will be 3, so it will be equal to minus 3t divided by 1 minus t square. ठीक है, yeah, nothing left ना. yeah, now we'll take this one minus 9x divided by 4y. 9x मतलब minus 9 into x मतलब 4t divided by 1 plus t square and plus 4y मतलब 4 into 3 multiplied by 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. ठीक है, so this cancel and 9 4 cancel 3 and it will be 3, so this will be minus 3t divided by 1 minus t square. So this is equal to this one, so we can say that dy by dx is equal to minus 9x divided by 4y, hence proved. Okay, we have a question. If x is a function of t and y is also a function of t, show that dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. So x is equal to this one, so first of all we'll take x is equal to t into log of t. So differentiating both sides will get a dx upon dt is equal to, first we'll take this one constant, so this one constant, so it will be t into 1 upon t, and then we'll take this one constant, so it will be 1, so t so log t. Okay, so the value will be dx upon dt will be equal to 1 plus log of t. ठीक है, Now the second one, that is y is equal to t to the power t. Applying log both the side, log of y is equal to t log t. How t log t? Because by using basic law of logarithm we got this one. So ये दो u and v के term में रहेंगे, and when we'll apply differentiation with respect to t, ये ऐसे रहेगा. So 1 upon y into dy by dt, and we'll keep this constant. It will be 1 upon t, and when we'll keep this constant, it will be 1. So 1 into log of t will be log of t. Now this will be cancelled, and 1 plus log of t. Okay. So dy का and dy upon dt का वैल्यू क्या होगा? y का वैल्यू we have to write. So y का वैल्यू is t to the power t into 1 plus log of t. Okay, this will be the value of dy by dt. Now what we have to do? Dy upon dx. Okay, dy upon dx minus y. Okay, dy upon dx हम find out करते पहले. तो dy upon dx will be t minus t to the power t 1 plus log t divided by 1 plus log t. Okay, so this will be cancelled, and the value what we are getting, so dy by dx will be equal to t to the power t. Okay, t to the power t. So t to the power t, it means we can write down dy by dx is equal to, this is t to the power t मतलब y का value है ना, so y, then it means dy by dx will minus y is equal to 0, hence proved. Understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.